Hello everyone, welcome to Digital Growth Tutor. In today's video, we will create a Google Demand Gen campaign for beginners, step by step. Before we start, let's quickly understand what Demand Gen is. Demand Gen campaigns are designed to generate interest in your product or service before people actively search for it. These ads can appear across platforms like YouTube, Google Discover, and Gmail, helping you reach potential customers with engaging visual ads. Now, let's begin creating the campaign. First, log in to your Google Ads account. From the left panel, click on the plus button to create a new campaign. Next, you will see different campaign objectives. You can select any objective depending on your business goal. In this tutorial, I'm going to choose the last option, create a campaign without a goals guidance. Then click Continue. Now, select the campaign type. From the list, choose Demand Gen and click Continue. On the next screen, you will see a list of conversion goals. If your account does not have any goals created or verified, you will see an option here to create one. Sometimes you may see an alert sign, which means the conversion goal needs verification before you can use it. If that happens, you can watch my other videos where I explain how to create and verify conversion goals. Now click Continue. You will now arrive at the campaign setup page. First, rename your campaign so it is easy to identify later. Next, set your campaign goal. For this example, I am selecting conversions. Then, select the conversion goal from the list. If there are no recent conversions, Google may show an alert asking you to verify the goal. Now set your campaign budget. For a new campaign, it is usually better not to set a target cost per action yet, because Google needs time to collect data and optimize performance. You can also set brand guidelines, including brand colors and fonts. For this example, I am selecting 2 brand colors. Next, choose an option for EU political ads. Then move to the location settings. Here, keep the option selected as Presence, people in or regularly in your included locations. You can keep the other settings as they are. Now let's move to the Ad Group section. Rename the ad group so you can easily manage it later. Next, enter your target location. For example, I am selecting Sydney. On the right side, you will see an estimated campaign performance, which updates based on your targeting settings. Under Channels, you can choose where your ads will appear. For this tutorial, I am selecting all Google channels. Now, let's define the audience. Click Create Audience. Choose Custom Segment. I am creating a new custom segment targeting people who search for specific keywords related to my business. You can also add your own data if you have it, such as a customer list or previous leads. If available, you can also add lookalike segments. Then add some interests and detailed demographics related to your business. In the Demographics section, you can select gender and age range. Once done, give your audience a name and click Save. Now you will notice that the estimated conversions on the right side increase based on the audience targeting. Next, go to the Ad Creation section. There are 3 types of ads available: image ads, video ads, carousel ads. In this tutorial, I will create an image ad. First, enter your final URL, which is the page users will visit after clicking your ad. Now, add your media assets. You can generate images using AI prompts, scan images from your website, choose stock images, or upload images from your computer. You can also access previously uploaded images in the Asset Library. For this example, I am selecting one of the suggested images. Next, add your logo. Google may automatically detect and suggest a logo from your website. Now, add your headlines. You can add up to 5 headlines with a limit of 40 characters each. I am selecting some suggested headlines from previously used ads. Then add your descriptions. You can add up to 4 descriptions, each with a maximum of 90 characters. Again, I am selecting some suggested descriptions. On the right side, you will see the ad preview, showing how your ad may appear across different Google platforms. For me, it is taking a moment to load, which sometimes happens. Make sure Asset Optimization is turned on. This helps Google automatically optimize your ad combinations for better performance. If needed, you can also add a URL tracking template for campaign tracking. Once everything is ready, click the Go to Review button. Carefully check all campaign settings. If everything looks correct, click Publish Campaign. And that's it. Your Google Demand Gen campaign is now live. This campaign will start showing ads across YouTube, Discover, Gmail, and other Google placements, helping you generate demand and reach new potential customers. I hope this tutorial helped you understand how to create a demand gen campaign. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to Digital Growth Tutor, and check out my other tutorials on Google Ads, Meta Ads, and digital marketing strategies. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.